How to create abstract properties in Python abstract classes. In the following code, I create a base abstract class base. I want all the classes that inherit from base to provide the name property, so I made this property in abstract method. Then I created a subclass of base, called base_1, which is meant to supply some functionality, but still remain abstract. There is no name property in base_1, but nevertheless Python instantiates an object of that class without an error. How does one create abstract properties?
Since Python 3.3 a bug was fixed, meaning the property decorator is now correctly identified as abstract when applied to an abstract method. Note: order matters, you have to use a property above an abstract method. Python 3.3 plus, Python docs. Python 2, Python docs.
Until Python 3.3, you cannot nest at abstract method and at property. Use at abstract property to create abstract properties, docs. The code now raises the correct exception.
Based on James' answer above. And use it as a decorator.
In Python 3.6+, you can also annotate a variable without providing a default. I find this to be a more concise way to make it abstract. It may also be used to force you to initialize the variable in the _new_ or _init_ methods. As another example, the following code will fail when you try to initialize the base_1 class. Attribute tier a column base_1 object has no attribute name.